Hey everyone. Welcome to today's video on how to start investing in real estate. Real estate can be a great way to build wealth over the long term, but getting started can be intimidating. In this video, we'll go over the steps you can take to start investing in real estate, from setting your goals and budget to finding and financing your first property. Step 1. Set your goals and budget. Before you start investing in real estate, it's important to define your goals and budget. Ask yourself questions like, what kind of properties do I want to invest in? What is my target return on investment? And, how much money can I afford to invest? By setting these parameters, you'll be able to focus your efforts on the types of properties that align with your goals and budget. Step 2. Research the real estate market. Once you've set your goals and budget, it's time to research the real estate market. Look at trends in your area, such as rising home prices or new construction projects, to identify potentially lucrative opportunities. You can also research online platforms such as Zillow or Redfin to find properties that fit your budget and criteria. Step 3. Network with real estate professionals. Networking with real estate professionals can help you find deals, financing options, and other resources that can help you succeed as a real estate investor. Connect with real estate agents, property managers, and other professionals in your area to learn about the local market and gain valuable insights into the industry. Step 4. Secure financing. Once you've found a property that you want to invest in, it's time to secure financing. You can explore options such as traditional mortgages, private lenders, or government-backed loans. You'll need to have a solid understanding of your credit score, debt-to-income ratio, and other financial metrics to qualify for financing. Step 5. Conduct due diligence. Before finalizing a real estate investment, it's important to conduct due diligence. This may include a property inspection, a title search, and a review of the property's financial records. This process will help you identify any potential issues with the property and ensure that you're making a sound investment. Step 6. Close the deal. Once you've completed due diligence and secured financing, it's time to close the deal. This involves signing a purchase agreement and transferring funds to complete the purchase. Make sure you have a real estate attorney review all legal documents to ensure that you're protected throughout the process. Conclusion. Investing in real estate can be a great way to build wealth over the long term, but it requires careful planning and preparation. By setting your goals and budget, researching the market, networking with real estate professionals, securing financing, conducting due diligence, and closing the deal, you can start investing in real estate with confidence. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and insights on real estate investing.